Today I am celebrating. I hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube and I am so excited. I could not have done it without you because maybe you are one of my subscribers. If not, hit that link and subscribe. I have been really focused over the past year, diligently and regularly creating sewing tutorials for beginners, things that you can, confetti everywhere, things that you can sew and sell, projects for baby, projects for kids, showing you my new fabric lines coming out from Riley Blake. But I have been really working hard to be not only consistent, but also improving the technology, the sound. I just improved the microphone today, actually. And I couldn't do it without you. So I just want to thank you. I'm going to be doing a 10K giveaway. So keep watching this video. I'm going to show you how to enter. This is not sponsored by anyone but me. I'm going to be giving away 10 digital patterns, and I don't want to decide what you want if you win. So if you are one of the 10 winners of my 10K giveaway, then I'm going to let you go to my Etsy shop and choose which of the digital patterns or machine embroidery designs that you want, and I will email it to you. And because these are digital, you can enter from anywhere in the world. I know a lot of people outside of the US get very bummed when the giveaways are, US only, because postage is so crazy. I have lots of new and fun things coming. Be sure to stay subscribed, hit that little bell so that you're notified when I post new videos, and stay tuned for more fun sewing tutorials, sewing for beginners, beginner and intermediate quilting, all the good things. So if you want to be entered to win one of the 10 prizes, put in the comments barn. Just put the word barn. Yes, it was inspired by my Spring Barn Quilts quilt behind me, but put barn in there. Just barn, nothing else. And I will randomly select the 10 winners on June 5th. Now, be sure to check back or check YouTube and see if you have a reply, because my only way to let you know is I'm going to reply if you're one of the winners. I'm going to say, you are one of the winners. And then I'm going to tell you the email, and you're going to need to email me so that I can get you what you need and what you want. Anyway, I'm so excited to have hit this milestone, looking forward to many, many more, and happy sewing.